In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF files within Gmail. We'll cover the process step by step, keeping things simple and straightforward so you can easily follow along and make the most out of this feature. First, open your preferred web browser. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to head over to Google and conduct a search for how to edit PDF files in Gmail. This search should bring up a variety of resources, but we're focusing primarily on using Gmail and its built-in capabilities to quickly edit a PDF file. After you've navigated to Gmail, sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, locate the email containing the PDF file you wish to edit. Open that email, and you'll see several options above the attached PDF file. One of these options will be the Google Drive icon. Click on it to save the PDF to your Google Drive. This makes it easy for you to manage and edit the document. Next, navigate to your Google Drive by clicking on the App Grid icon in the top right corner of your Gmail interface and selecting Google Drive. Inside Google Drive, find the PDF file you just saved. Right-click on the file and select Open With, and then choose Google Docs. Google Docs is an incredibly versatile tool that now allows basic PDF editing functionality. The PDF will then open in a Google Docs document. At this point, your PDF is converted into an editable format. You'll notice that depending on the complexity of the original PDF, formatting might shift a little, so take a moment to scan through and see how it looks. In Google Docs, you can now make the necessary changes to your document, add text, adjust existing text, and even remove sections that are no longer needed. Feel free to use all the tools available to you in Google Docs, such as text formatting, inserting images, links, and more. Once satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Navigate to File in the upper menu, click on Download, and choose PDF document.pdf. This will convert your document back into a PDF format, maintaining any changes you've made. Finally, you can send the edited PDF back through Gmail. Go back to your Gmail tab, click Compose, and start drafting your email. Attach the newly edited PDF by clicking on the paperclip icon, selecting your file from its saved location, and voila, your updated PDF is ready to be sent. And there you have it, an easy, thorough way to edit PDF files using just Gmail and Google Docs. This method is not only efficient, but also leverages tools that are available for free, making it accessible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to effortlessly tackle any PDF edits you need to make in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.